Hey patio cover lovers, it's Bart here from Craft-Bilt. Today we're going to look at our product. It's called SkyView Low Profile. It works with our multi-wall polycarbonate sheets. This is our opal ice tint. This is our bronze tint. And what these sheets do is they work with the SkyView Low Profile system. That's a base piece and a clamping piece and a third piece that comes down and hides the screws. Hope you guys can all see how that works. Let's have a closer look. So SkyView Low Profile is great when you have an existing frame made out of wood or metal. So what we have here is a beautiful massive frame out of welded aluminum tube, and the homeowner contacted us to find a way to clad this thing and protect their patio from the elements. SkyView Low Profile is great on your pergola, your existing wood framed. We've put our SkyView Low Profile on existing steel framework. And of course, it doesn't have to be existing. You could design some steel, aluminum, or wood framework with just the intention of putting SkyView Low Profile on top. It's a great system with that clamp system that allows you to use the strength of your provided framework and clad it with a nice waterproof, light filtering roof. Let's talk a minute about this customer provided framework. The roof is made with 2x2 aluminum, square tubes welded into fairly complex trusses. The roof is held up with 3x3 pairs of columns. This is a one-off aluminum framework, to be sure. I've never seen anything like it. Don't forget, we don't just provide the polycarbonate glazing system. We also have complete structural systems. We can build your patio cover, including the framing and the columns and the beams. So why polycarbonate? Well, three big reasons. Polycarbonate is incredibly tough. In fact, it can be used in making bulletproof glass. The other thing about polycarbonate is that it filters 99% of the harmful UV rays from the sun. And lastly, it filters the light evenly. That multi-wall technology filters your light. Now that's as opposed to a glass roof that would let in a lot of heat and glare. So this patio, it's about 22 feet wide this way. It's coming out nearly 30 feet this way. Think of all the wonderful family get-togethers, being able to enjoy the outdoors without getting wet. In the wintertime, the snow will be out on the roof. The patio furniture can stay right where it is. And if it's a sunny day, you probably get a little bit of warmth on here as well. So thanks for watching.